Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to see my upcoming new tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is the 20th episode about JavaScript Basic. In the previous episode, we styled the DOM element. Today, we'll work on the click event. First, open the text editor and open the 20th folder. Use click event, open start, index.html and main.js. In index.html, add a button called click me. Also add ID, click btn. We need to access this button in JavaScript, so use document.getElementById. ID is click btn. Also, let's add them in variable button. Then add button.addEventListener method. Then we have to pass two arguments. The first one is the click event, then a function. Now let's just write console.log button clicked. Let's check the preview now. So open the browser, open developer tool, go to console and click the button. You should see button clicked over here. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll show and hide the DOM element. Feel free to comment below if you have any question. Also, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. If you want some hosting companies, you can check the link below. Thank you and see you soon.